Can just 5,000 a week change your financial future? Hey there, I'm Suraj and welcome to Destination Trader. Where the journey is as important as the destination. So every week I explore new places straight from cafes and hillsides and highways and invest 5,000 with one goal in mind, building the wealth one step at a time. Starting today, I'm taking on 1 year challenge, investing 5K every week, and I'll show you every trade, every move, every win and loss here on Destination Trader. So you may wonder why 5K. So easy entry point, and accessible for beginners, and it kinds of builds a habit for long term portfolio. So let's see how compounding plus consistency plays out. So for a year it's almost 52 weeks. 52 weeks. So 52 into 5,000. 5,000, it will be around 2,60,000. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's talk about my week one pick in this 5K challenge. I have chosen Geo Financial Services. Symbol is JIOFIN. So now here's why I'm going with the stock. First of all, this is a recently listed company backed by the mighty Reliance Group that gives its credibility right from the start. Geo Financial is also trying to disrupt the NBFC space, and the market has been responding positively to that. So technically, the stock has been for a solid base. It has formed a solid base around. You can see this is a daily chart. So you can see it's a double bottom type around 282. So from there it has been a bullish upwards movement. So we can see a good increase in volume as well. So you can see volume breakout as well, sign of accumulation. So going to weekly chart. So you can see last week also it has formed a big bullish bar. So I'm entering between 325 to 335. That is the range which I am targeting. So this is not a financial advice. I'm simply documenting my journey and showing you how I plan, analyze, and invest. So let me do the needful. So here it is, Geo Finance. So I guess for 5,000 it will be around 4,906 and market order. So this is Zerodha. Everyone knows, I guess. So yeah, my first order for this 5,000 journey. So here it is. So it's CNC cash and carry. It's not intraday. So comment what your 5K pick would be this week. So subscribe for weekly update. This is just the beginning. So next week we will see how this stock performed and our new pick as well. So until then, thank you and goodbye.